In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your account on the Columbia Sportswear website. We'll be looking at how to access your account details and orders. To start off, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Whichever you're most comfortable with using will work just fine. Next, you'll want to type in www.columbia.com into the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure to hit enter on your keyboard after typing the web address, and you'll be taken to Columbia Sportswear's homepage. Take a moment to look around if you'd like, but to proceed, you'll need to sign into your account. To do this, look at the top right corner of the website. Here you'll see the sign in option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These should be the same credentials you used when creating your Columbia account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up for one by following their on-screen instructions. But assuming you're already a Columbia member, input your details and press sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account name or a small icon, often something like a person or a profile picture, right at the top right corner. Click on your name or this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll select My Account. This is your control center for all account-related activities on the website. Within My Account, you'll have the opportunity to update personal information like your address or payment methods if necessary. However, to find details about your purchases, you'll want to focus on navigating to your orders. Look for an option or section specifically labeled as Orders or something similar. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your order history, any outstanding or ongoing shipments, and details that you might need for returns or tracking. Exploring your order section will not only keep you organized, but can also be a treasure trove of information when you're checking the status of a recent purchase. Plus, it's also handy for ensuring that all your details are up to date or finding that perfect past order you'd like to reorder. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to navigate through your Columbia Sportswear account and access your order details. Feel free to pause or rewatch any section of this video if you need more clarity or run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.